Carlos, how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel emotional, but I feel very happy for the team, for my teammates. It was an amazing season. They deserved more than everybody. I have seen from outside how much they have worked, how much they have done for this, and as well, a lot of them, not all of them, they were saying that you will do this for me as well, and this for me and for Boiler that we have been out. And I just want to thank them for everything.
And now you're leaving FC Copenhagen. What does it mean to leave it with another championship?
Yeah, I'm leaving as a football player, but I will remain as a fan. And for me, it's the best way to finish with a double. This is what we wanted, and what I wanted, and is the best way to finish here.
And what are you going to do tonight?
I don't know. Only God knows. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hvem havde de højeste odds på FCK's kampe i sidste måned? Det var igen Unibet.